Hello, everyone. I am Trina Frometta, and I have a passion for teaching dance for people that live with Parkinson's. I want to invite you to my presentation on SICA Explore, which will take place on Friday, December the 15th at 1 p.m. New York time. I discovered dance for Parkinson's thanks to a full scholarship that I got from a dance school in New York 7 years ago. Now let me show you a video about Dance for Parkinson's program. This video specifically was made in Stanford University at Palo Alto, California.
Parkinson's disease is a progressive neurological disorder. Resting tremor, slowness of movement, stiffness, and difficulties with balance. We also know that it has a lot of what we call non-motor features. These can be anxiety, depression, sleep disorders, pain, autonomic nervous system disorders. Unfortunately, some people can also have cognitive problems that lead to dementia. So it is a motor and non-motor disease that affects really the whole brain. There's a lot of research in both animals and in human subjects with Parkinson's disease that exercise is very beneficial. It actually promotes what we call neuroplasticity. The brain almost regenerates. Dance itself also has quite a lot of research as far as improving the mobility and balance in Parkinson's disease and gait quite dramatically, people's ability to walk. Dance for Parkinson's disease is a program that was developed at the Morris Dance Group. In about 2001, Ole Westheimer, who led the Brooklyn Parkinson's support group, marched into the Mark Morris studios and she said, "I would like you to teach people with Parkinson's disease how to dance." And David Leventhal, who's now the program director of Dance for PD, began to teach dance to people with Parkinson's disease. They have now trained over 600 teachers who are now certified Dance for PD instructors in over 16 countries and 100 communities. So it is being practiced all over the world.
I was a tap dancer growing up, and a friend told me that they were going to start Parkinson's dance at Stanford, and I was ready.
I have known all my life that I am no good at dancing. Now at least I have a good excuse.
What we've been told by people who do Dance for PD is that suddenly they feel beautiful again. Their bodies feel like they can move. They have a sense of themselves as they used to be. And I think that is incredibly powerful as far as brain health.
I think it's a combination of feeling the connection with my body that is a positive connection and that reminds me of maybe my old self, and feeling good about moving.
The full impact of Dance for PD is not just like an exercise program. It is something that engages cognition, and it engages the cognitive domains that are specifically affected in Parkinson's disease.
It gives me the sense that I can handle what is ahead for me. There's a joyfulness that I feel from the class that carries through, and powerful kind of feeling that I can do something to make myself feel good.
As you can see at the video, the benefit, the positive impact of movement or dance for people with Parkinson's are not only physically, but also emotionally. The magic of the program is the joy, to enjoy to the joyfulness of what that they feel while they are able to move. For what I see is when I work with Parkinson people and movement is that there's another connection. The movement comes from another resource. It doesn't come from the physical body. It comes from an inner self, inner resource. So that's why I believe that they are moving from another part of their bodies. Therefore, the joyfulness and therefore the healing through this program. Once again, I invite you, I hope you join me to this Dance for Parkinson's class that I'll be teaching through SICA Explore program on December 15th at 1 p.m. New York time. Hope to see you there.